You're welcome to today's analysis. Today is the 8th of June 2026, and of course, it's been a while we actually had our analysis. So we're starting up with what is it called, with the pound dollar, and of course, today is Monday. Just like I said earlier, today's date is 8th of June 2026. So let's look at what we're expecting. Remember, we had NFP last week, which gives some bear, because we can see right here. So let's what we're expecting. So for the NFP last, we can see the bearish candlestick right here. So let's see a continuation of this bearish move. I see the market going bullish. So let's mark that as well to see what really we're expecting from the daily. Now, from the daily, here is our structures where the market is likely to expect. For now, the next one where we have is first this one. So a break below this, then it tells us that we are likely to start going bearish to this next lower here. But then I strongly see have a good sense that this market actually have a good bullish pullback straight from either to this 60 level, 60% level, or to the 70% level of this previous candlestick right here. So let's see what is going on the 4-hour charts. That gives us a better view of what actually we are expecting. Now, judging with the candlestick formation we are going to see on the 4-hour chart, I think we still have a very good reason to think of this market actually going bullish, probably to this next level right here. But then remember, if the market happens to close bearish, closing below this, then we are looking for short trades down to this level. But then for me, I'm still going to be going long and the target to this level. So my long analysis on pound dollar is right here. Then I put my stop loss below this level, then targets this. All right. So here's my long analysis on pound. Like, remember, if the market happens to take out my stop loss, that means we are likely, let's say, a good move to this next level. But for now, I'm still going to be keeping my fingers crossed to see or wait for perfect entry on 15 minutes charts. So let's see what 15 minutes charts is actually going to have. So for now, really can't say we have any good entry here. So let's see if we can start see the market giving us bullish move. You can think of going short on that. But stop is going to be below this previous low right here. So let's see what we see the end thing that have from tell, okay, yes, this is our stop loss is going to be. Let's assume maybe the market will start going bullish, then close somewhere around here. You can think, okay, to stop it, it can actually still be below this previous level. So this level is still very much okay. And of course, it's still giving us a very good ratio. So let's see how that plays out as they go back. Remember, I said again, if our stop loss should get taken out at this level, then that means you start looking or thinking of going bearish on pound dollars. All right, so that's for pound dollars. So go to the next one, which is BTCUSD. So let's see what actually we're expecting on BTCUSD for today. So are we thinking of going bearish, bullish on BTCUSD? So still, let's go over also to the daily chart. Just like I told you earlier, I said I actually prefer it when my three pairs with the BTCUSD XAUUSD and pound dollars actually moving together in the same direction. So now on BTCUSD, you can actually see this bearish move which was caused by Friday. Remember, BTCUSD is available 247. So that is why you can actually see that the market actually still continue moving despite this bearish move on Saturday, on Friday. So you can still see this on Saturday, then you can see this on Sunday, and of course you can see today on. So now we see the continuation of this bearish move. I see the market bullish, similar to what I said earlier. I'm still very much bullish and I expect it to actually pull back to somewhere around this level. But then if that does not happen, if the market should close bearish, effectively breaking below each one previously, I've been looking for bullish trade. But then let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's see what really the 4-hour chart is currently saying. So you can see the market still kind of looking a bit bearish. It's just like a bearish pullback then to continue on the bearish pattern. But then let's see what's going to happen. Remember, the market issues to actually give us, let me see this, okay? Give us something like this, breaking above this now. Then you can see a bullish move. Then we can think of going long again on BTCUSD. Otherwise, the market starts showing signs of bearish, breaking previous lows and forming new lows. They can think of going short on that. So what I'm still trying to say is that now let's assume we have this trend line done around this level. Let me adjust to what's going on. Doesn't want to adjust. Okay, let's just Okay, let's say this thing like this. So if you guys see the market actually breaking below this, time to pull back, name to pull back, breaking below its own low there, I think of going short, and of course that gives us a good time to short this market. But overall, I'm still very much bullish. So that's what I still have to say for this week. I'm still very much bullish on my pound dollar and BTCUSD. But then let's see what really happens as they goes by. So that's that on BTCUSD. So let's go to the final one, which is XAUUSD, popularly called gold. All right. Let's just see if you're going to be going there, going to be going bullish. All right. Yes, you can actually see some bearish move already, which is what really happened last week. You can see the market making some series of bearish move. Sorry, please. So let's see if this bearish move is going to continue, or we see the market going back bullish. Just what I said earlier, it's very much valid. Let's focus on this resistance level. Okay, so now let's go back to the 4-hour chart. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, I can see bearish, but for now, just what I said earlier, I'm only going to look for bearish trade if the market starts breaking its own previous low. Otherwise, I'm still very much bullish. So let's see what really 15-minute chart is saying about that. Okay, so on 15-minute chart, I can see the market is actually stitching some signs of bearish move. You can see that we still have some signs of bearish move on the 15-minute chart. So is this going to hold or market breaking out of this then for us to go long? Let's see what is going to happen. But for me, this is really what I expect for today. But remember, nothing is guaranteed. You can see the market starting the upward. So let's just put in the comment section, what do you think about this analysis? Are you going to see a bullish move? Remember, if you want to drop a comment, drop it before plays are done. After plays are they start dropping, I say. So drop it before plays are. Let's see what really happens before that time comes. So that's it. That brings us to the end of today's analysis. And it's true, I didn't really check out the fundamentals for today. So let me just look at the fundamentals for today. Actually, it's actually escaped my memory. So let's look at what the fundamentals is seeing for today. Are we going to be seeing the market going periodically in the bullish side or on the bearish side based on the fundamentals today? Let's see what really Forex Factory has on that. And after that, we call it close. And of course, if this is your first time coming across this video, we do this every week, every day. I think twice or thrice a week, dropping analysis and what you're expecting of the market guide, your own personal analysis to give you a better view and a better perspective of the market. So if that sounds interesting, something you'd like to see more and more often, so please do it to make sure you join the community by hitting subscribe button. And don't forget the bell icon to get notified when the next video is being posted. And if you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, please do the same thing, hit the follow button. Please do it to share this with friends and other community if you. Alright, so taking money drill, you can see we don't have any major information. So that means our technical aspect is that then remember the lot sequence. I always say that always use your risk management. Stop loss for me, stop loss sense more important take profit. Only your stop loss and make sure try to stick to your strategy, to your pattern, to your analysis. That's it. I wish you a profitable day trade, big trade ahead. Please ensure you stay safe, trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.